Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely use a Mini Cooper jack. Before you begin, always ensure your Mini Cooper is parked on a completely level and firm surface. This prevents any unexpected movement during the lifting process. Engage the parking brake firmly to secure the vehicle. For added safety, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you intend to lift. This crucial step minimizes the risk of rolling. Your safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Now, let's locate the correct jack points on your Mini Cooper. You'll find 4 reinforced points, usually small, rectangular pads, along the underside of the car's sills. These are specifically designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. It's always a good idea to consult your Mini Cooper's owner's manual for precise diagrams and locations, as they can vary slightly between models. Using the correct points prevents damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. With your jack points identified, position the jack head precisely under one of them. Ensure the jack makes full contact with the reinforced pad. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground. Crucially, once the vehicle is at the desired height, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame for secure support before performing any work. Once your work is complete, carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, slowly and steadily lower your Mini Cooper back to the ground using the jack. Ensure the vehicle settles completely before removing the jack itself. Double-check that all tools are stored properly and the area is clear. Remember, safety first. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home cleaning routine, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.